And thank you for everyone for having here, especially to Jerry and Anna from Tago. And also James from Saman, with her partner, and teacher Diane, and family Suarez, and my batch, and my photographer, and Yumi, my makeup. Thank you for my makeup. Over. And then, the decoration, who the one who did this one is my pamangkin, Aisa and Elaine. Thank you so much. And the sponsor of Lechon, Aisa.
Wow!
And thank you for my siblings, my family, my friends, and my sister over there from the Samang. Long time no see my sister. Hi. Hello, my sister.
Atuma! Agi!
Kamukha pa kami. Kaya ampuna daw ako. I'm just only adaptation from my family. So, this is my sister from Saman. I think how many years we don't see each other? 5 years? Since my last
Wedding day.
day? 6 years. 6 years. Thank you for coming. I don't know. And Mama! My godmother from my wedding. Yes. And so much for helping me here for decoration.